This is the story of the greatest toiletry bag ever made. But it all started here, with a not-so-great bag. This is Chris. Chris loved to travel, but he hated traveling with that bag.
Curse this bag.
Inside it was impossible to find anything, and there was lots of unwanted touching. No touching! So Chris traveled the world looking for a better bag, until he found Lance.
My middle name is Lance. My middle name's Chris.
It wasn't, but it might as well have been, because Lance loved to travel too. And agreed, none of his travel gear was up to snuff. So they decided to make their own toiletry bag, one that unfolds to reveal 8 pockets to keep all your stuff organized and separated. It comes with a TSA-compliant bag for fast scans of all your gels and liquids. They even designed travel-friendly liquid containers. Fill them, click them, pack them, so you can store your champ like a champ. And never deal with a soap apocalypse again. Best of all, when you finally reach base camp, unzip and hang out. And have a bathroom more organized than the one at home. It's travel without the vanity. Get it? Chris and Lance launched their new bags online, and they did well, really well. Tens of thousands of bags shipped over the world well. Now thousands of people like you are taking Chris and Lance's bag around the world. Here, and even there. Who knew so much toothpaste and shampoo could bring us together? Now wherever you travel, you can carry your crap without feeling like you're carrying crap. And Chris and Lance, well, they took time off in Vietnam to sip Mai Tais. I'm kidding. They got to work designing their next product, which did take them to Vietnam, where they got to work side by side with amazing craftspeople to design better travel products, because travel isn't what they do, it's who they are. They decided to call their new company Gravel, because when your tires leave the asphalt and hit the gravel, you know the real adventure started. Gravel makes blankets that do this, and even snap together, like this. They put their signature care into backpacks that do this, and a day pack that does this, and a crossbody bag that does this, and yeah, even that. So, however you travel, you always feel like you're flying first class. No matter where your adventure takes you, Gravel will take you there in style and comfort. Go to graveltravel.com and start your journey today. Because Chris and Lance, they're just getting started. Isn't it about time you got started?